So now we're going to look at how to find the maximum value in a data range. So in this case here, we've got our data set, B3 through to B11. We want to find the maximum value that's actually in that range. So in our cell, we choose B12, and the function we use to actually find the maximum is max. So we just type equals max, and again you'll see in our drop down menu that Excel tries to prompt us on to which function we want. So we go round brackets B3 colon B11, round brackets, we hit enter, and you can now see that the maximum value in this particular data set is 35. Now if I was to change, let's say, the value of B5 to 40, you'll now see that that is the maximum value in our data set. But if I was to change this value to 39, you'll see that the max value doesn't change because it's not the largest value in the data set. So it's only showing you the maximum value.